Momcozy S9 Pro Wearable Breast Pump. So this is a hands-free breast pump with a super long battery life on it, as well as an LED display. So it's going to be a pack of 2 with multiple different levels to choose from, 9 specifically, with a 24 millimeter base. So this is a 2-pack in the color pink. It has a super long battery life. Fully charged can be used about 180 minutes, which should last anywhere from about 6 to 8 sessions. The auto shutoff is every 30 minutes, and it has a Type-C charging port on there. This is much smaller than other ones. The S9 has a LED display as mentioned, so easy to view your selections on there. Silicone buttons too to ensure long-lasting life, and it does have a sound of less than 45 dB. Comes with a breast milk storage bag, a cord, and items to clean it with. Definitely recommend it. Check it out.